So today I'm here with Beauty Forever here once again. So this is the packaging. You know, this is the one they've been sticking by for a while now. So I have this, like, you know, little tote bag, and then I have the box inside. That's everything. Ooh, I like how they send solids, some solid press-on nails. Have a pair of HD wig caps. I also got another pair of HD wig caps and a branded Beauty Forever elastic band, as well as today's wig. So let's get into that. That's everything that came as goodies. So let's get into it. This is Beauty Forever's Put On and Go Glueless Water Wave Human Hair Wig, 13x4 frontal water wave wig. Everything is done for you already. It's a pre-everything. It's pre-cut, it's pre-bleached, right? It's pre-plucked, so it has a very natural looking hairline, right? And the hair is soft and voluminous. It's, you know, for the most part, tangle free. Yeah, definitely feels tangle free. And it's low maintenance. I mean, the texture, you know, these textures are always easier to manage in a sense because you don't necessarily have to straighten them or curl them right throughout. So yeah, for the construction of the cap, this is how it looks right around it. They did add the lace tapes to it, so you know they're even somewhere here, so you can go ahead and use this if you want to use like some level of extra security and you don't want to use spray or glue. This is great. And then there's also a adjustable strap on the inside of the cap. All right, so you can adjust that to how tight or loose you want it. There's a comb in the back as well for added security, and two straps that you can adjust. There is a non-slip strip that is attached inside at the back of the cap, so that looks really good. The hair color is a 1B, so looking very natural. Love it, love it. This is 24 inches long. Let's go ahead and do this very easy and quick, beginner friendly glueless wig installation. You want to go ahead and just adjust the elastic band on the inside like that, and then just slip it onto your head. The parting looks so good, like it looks so natural. I won't have to go in and use any concealer or anything to make it look better. You know, it already looks so good. So as you can see, there's a bit of cast. Before I get into erasing the cast, let's go ahead and remove the lace tape so we can get it to stick to the side. Just gonna peel off the lace tape like that. Very straightforward, very to the point, and apply that area to lay on the side, and you just press it in, and that's all you need to do. Super easy. That's all. That's it. So this is how it's looking, right? Super secure. Let's do the shake test. It's not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. And remember, this is a whole 13x4 lace frontal, a glueless lace frontal. So now to eliminate the cast, let's go in. Just tap some face powder on that. Very easy fix. Don't panic.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed.
So we're looking good. Everything is looking good, looking great. So this is how the hair looks while it's dry. And I can't lie, you can go ahead and rock it just like this. It's gorgeous. Okay, I really don't want to do the whole wet vibe right now. I love how voluminous it is, but just to give you guys a variety of different looks, I'm gonna go ahead and get it wet for you, or just damp it a little bit because remember, it is a water wave hair texture, so you know, I just want to get it nice and juicy for you. We can do like 2 styles with it, you know. So you could just literally throw this on and go, you know, just attach your tapes, you're good to go. Okay, and I am getting minimal shedding, so you can note that I am getting minimal shedding, so that's that. So I'm just gonna get it damp, as I said, just a little bit, just a little bit, not too much, just so I can redefine the waves. This, and as you can see, I don't have to go in with nothing, like it's already come looking so nicely laid and everything. So I really do love that. I really love it. So I'm not gonna drench it, I'm not gonna get it like super wet or anything. Nice and rejuvenated, looking good. See, still very nice and full, not too, you know. Ooh, so cute. But yeah, this is how it looks. Other style, pretty simple. It's pretty much like that mid, half up, half down. Yeah, see me do this quite a bit. So you just want to lay some of the hair to the back. I did that cute little one in the back, but more to the back more than on the top, because I still want to show off that parting. Really easy. That's style numero dos. Yeah, shout out to Beauty Forever for another gorgeous wig. They did their thing. Glueless goodness, love it. As you guys know, I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead, check it out. All the specifications will be listed, any deals, any sale going on, any discount code that I may have, all of that will be listed down below. Any special link, all that good stuff will be down below, so go ahead, check that out. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.